Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event is getting closer with each passing day, but there's still enough time for more leaks. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. It's quite common to receive some tidbits whenever a hardware lineup is about to drop, and this time it's the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, which is set to be announced at the event. Blass, who runs the Substack Leakmail, has published a slew of renderings depicting the new smartwatch. We got a first look at the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 design earlier this month, but Leakmail's post includes new perspective and specs. For instance, the leaked photos show an upgrade to an IP69K dust and water resistance rating compared to the 2025 Galaxy Watch Ultra IP68 rating. They also state that the new model is 12% thinner than the previous Galaxy Watch. If the leak is accurate, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 will come with an 800 mAh battery, up from 590 mAh on the 2025 model. The latest watch should also offer a much brighter display with up to 5,000 nits, when the last one only had 3,000 nits. Now that's a serious boost. As for performance, Blass claims the watch will use the Snapdragon Wear Elite chip, corroborating another leak from before. According to a separate leak from Blass, the upcoming Galaxy Watch 9 will be powered by the same chip, although there's no chatter for price points for Samsung's new flagship wearable. How much of this is true? We'll get the confirmation when the Galaxy Unpacked event unfolds this week. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.